Finally, Musam Saleko responds to the social media news that is currently going on, and this is what Musam Saleko posted on his Instagram account. One thing about Musam Saleko, he will humble us. Anyway, guys, let's get to start today. Now, the rest of the house is someone peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. So, one ago, Musam Saleko posted this picture. As you can see, it is Spindi himself and Lwandle with the caption Spindi Mpumelelo Musam Saleko and Lwandle Msaleko abafana bamila. If you've been following Musam Saleko, you know one thing about Musam Saleko, he will not release a statement, he will not say anything. This is how he responds. You know, he's telling you that I've seen what is going on. It's just that I don't want to comment. I'm not going to address this. He has a professional way of responding people. I still remember even when Vuyokazi got married and people were coming for him to say, yo, you know what? This is exactly the same thing that he did. One thing about Musam Saleko, he will teach you to mind your own business. So people in the comment section, obviously, are asking to say, hi bo, Musam Saleko, what is going on? It is true, Uguti Umpumelelo. And you know what, guys? He's not even responding anyone. Even with Sneh, one thing about Sneh, guys, she's always live on TikTok. People have been asking, what is going on? Hi bo, yonke umuntu kwaMsaleko. Shh. Everyone kwaMsaleko. Shh. No one is saying anything. Why would Musam Saleko decide to post Umpumelelo and Lwandle today? Well, he knows Uguti Umpumelelo is currently trending on social media. If you look at this picture, he's saying that I'm very proud of you, my son. I mean, it's not like, guys, I know that what Mpumelelo he did was wrong. It is alleged. We not say it is true. But as a father, obviously, even yourself, you would have been proud. Nami nje iskebenga guys ngiyazisaba nkosi yami. Imagine someone engena. I still remember when I was in varsity, you guys, we went through so much. I lost my laptop, I lost my phone. You know, we were not brave enough to face the reality of life. So for Mpumelelo to be this brave, I'm very proud of him. I'm not saying that may solo rest in peace to the other guys. Mara nkosi yami nani lento ukuthi niyakumseleko bese niyangena ke niyabona manje. So guys, I'm not saying that I'm proud of him what he did, but I'm saying that he was brave enough, guys, you know. And yeah, let me not say too much. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Monday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.